Hey everybody, it's Kathy Byrnes with Tech Savvy Realty Solutions, and I'm excited today because I have Ibrahim Moab, right?
Moab.
I'm close. It's okay.
All good. Yeah, all good.
Right?
Exactly.
Well, he's got a great software, an AI software, Taja, that we have fallen in love with, Kelly and I over here, and it's been a tool and a half for us to be much more efficient with our posting. So if this sounds of interest to you, I'm going to introduce Ibrahim here in a second, and I want you to subscribe below, share this with your buddies, stay to the end because we got a coupon code for you. Hey buddy.
Nice. Hey, how are you, Kathy? How's everything going?
I'm doing great. I love this software because it saves us so much time.
I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, it's exactly what we made it for. Is a lot of people, content creators want to focus on this part, which is like filming the content, creating it, but that packaging it, after you're done filming it, that is just tedious and boring for people. So we want to create a solution that streamlines this for you.
Yeah, it's great. Well, let's start showing it off.
Yeah, no, 100%. So, the tool is called Taja. We help you optimize, repurpose, and package your long-form videos in 8 minutes or less. So, like Kathy was saying, I'm going to share my screen here. So
8 minutes or less, that's great, because I flash back on some of the time that we were spending on it. It could be an hour or more, you're chopping up stuff and it's not right, you got to put it someplace. It's just so efficient.
Yeah. So, Taja can be used for any video as long as, if it's new, just make sure it's unlisted when you put it into YouTube. If it's old, it could be public or unlisted. And so here's our dashboard, but it's as simple as just going to your YouTube studio, and I just posted this video, and I have to figure out my title, my description, my tags, my thumbnail, even shorts. All I do is I copy the link to the video, and then I head over to Taja, I paste the link, and then I add a sentence or two about what the video is about. So here I'll just do Brendan Amici on
and some agents don't know a whole lot even about YouTube. When you do a video like this, like we're doing it on Zoom right now, and I'll get a link and I'll download that to my system, and then I'll go to YouTube and I'll upload it in there within my channel, and it'll give me the option of making it public, unlisted, or private. And what you're saying is private won't work, but unlisted or public already works. And I know my daughter and I upload the videos, and I always put it in unlisted. Then she'll come through, because we're partners on this, she'll come through, open up Taja, see that it's in the unlisted, and put that video over there and do what you're about to show us.
Yep, 100%. So it's as simple as this in your studio. It'll be right here where you can, set it as unlisted, public, or private. For any new video that you just uploaded, just make sure it's unlisted. Any old video, it can be public or unlisted, and then you can bring it into Taja.
So that's a question for me. So I could go back into my old videos, which I think we were just talking about, and they are already public, but maybe I didn't get shorts out of them. And this will help me to get some shorts, right?
Yep. As long as the video is 5 minutes or longer, and it's a video that's like a talking video with a talking head, it will generate shorts for you.
Okay, good.
So I just take that link, put it into Taja, add a sentence or two about what the video is about. This is also optional, but you can select the tone that you would like. If you want to control the output, you can also select different languages. We have over 50 languages. If your channel's in a different language, you can select that.
How about that? That in itself is a big deal.
Yeah.
We're a global universe now, I even have a global audience. So maybe I'm doing something on Portugal and I can do it all in Portuguese. Yeah,
exactly. So different elements allows you for a lot of flexibility. But once that's done, you just click optimize. And now what's going on is Taja's in the background doing a full-on transcription of the video. It's understanding what the video is about. It's also looking at your channel demographics. So it's looking at based on this channel and this audience, what are the keywords across the title, description, tags that will resonate? If you're a brand new channel, it'll look at lookalike channels in comparison to you to then provide its analysis. And so it'll just do its thing here, but then in 3 minutes or less, it'll populate out for us the titles, description, chapters, hashtags, all ready for us to just review and put in our studio.
So let me ask you this. You just said if it was a new channel, because ours is fairly new, it's looking at competing channels and saying, here's how we can make it better?
Yep, it is. So it's looking at like, if you have a brand new channel, it's like, I don't have, any audience data around here. Like who's the demographic? They'll just look at, all right, what are the lookalike channels and what is their audience like? And then pull that in to create its analysis.
Did it just grab the transcript from the whole video there?
Yes, when you upload the link, it automatically pulls the transcript and then puts it right here.
Oh my goodness, because I'm going over to YouTube, which I don't have to right now. I could just quick copy this transcript because I go into ChatGPT and I've created a blog profile in one of my envelopes, and I take the transcript from my different videos that I've done so that it'll write me a blog off of it, but I can just grab it from right here.
Yeah, you can just grab it right here and speed up your workflow.
Yeah.
And so, once you'll go down here, it'll give you 5 different title options. You can see which one you like. If you don't like any, you can just click this re-optimized title button and 5 different titles will appear. You can go down here, and this is like a title previewer. So the purpose of this is to, like, if there's a ... or like any other elements, you can see what the full title would look like if published on YouTube. And then right here is where you can pick your final title. So either you pick the ones that we give you, or you can type in your own if you don't like any of these. You just hit continue, and then the description and chapters and tags will sync in alignment. So right here is the description written out for you. It picks up on who the guest speaker is, and it writes it all for you. And then it even writes out your chapters instantly for you.
I love this. Scooch back up a little bit, so where it ranked them, the titles.
Yep.
So when it did that 100 right there, is it saying that out of a SEO score that was the best one to go with?
Yeah, this is the highest. However, what we've seen is like it's basically, it needs a human intelligence standpoint. So like it needs, that's where you would come in as a reviewer to be like, is this right for my channel? Because there might be this 4th title or this 3rd title, be good for your channel or for this video specifically. So it'll just take like you to be like, this is the best one for my channel.
Okay,
that I want to go with.
And I know that like in the description that if you scroll down to that description, with a lot of ours, it always spells my name wrong. So the point being is make sure you proofread that. Don't just count on that being correct spelling. But I love that it's got the emojis in there. I love that it's got my hashtags already built up in there. And those chapters are a big deal. We weren't doing chapters because they took us so long to do. And that was one of the selling points when we saw that, because we knew that was an SEO, it ranked it better, helped rank that video better, right?
Yeah. So chapters are very important for discovery, especially now whenever you do like a Google search for a specific thing, you look at like chapters populate in those results. And so having chapters leads to more discoverability in your videos, because while someone might go and search for, you might be talking about a 40-minute video that has multiple topics. When someone searches for a specific topic, that's where that chapter will populate in that search, and then you'll get that view. So it's very important for discovery, and also very important for like anyone that's watching to just go straight to the area, the topic that has the answer they're looking for, and view it there.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah.
And then it creates all these. Tell us about the tags. How important are the tags?
Tags are more important in your description. So tags in the tags area are more for like, YouTube doesn't index heavy on them for discoverability. They're more for spell check.
Oh.
Yeah, so because what was happening was, like, a lot of people in the beginning days when YouTube included it as a big part for like your metadata, people would like have a video about animals and then say Kim Kardashian's trending. They'll just type in Kim Kardashian to make that video pop up, in that section, in that area of search, but it had no relatability or correlation. So now this is more like a spell check type of thing.
Gotcha.
Yeah. And then we have a thumbnail visual. So based on this title, it'll give me a thumbnail visual that's in alignment. And I can take into like Canva Pro or another tool to make my perfect thumbnail in 5 minutes or less. We are working on a robust solution and just get you your perfect thumbnail within Taja, fully edited, in 5 minutes or less, ready to go and upload on YouTube. So you no longer have to take it elsewhere, hire on a designer, or just spend the hour or two doing it yourself.
Yeah, and we're still doing that. That's the 1 week link we found in the system so far, and I'm loving it that you guys are addressing that. What are your thoughts on, like, we try and get the pictures of the two of us, my daughter and myself as partners in there, making these different weird faces. How important do you think that is as far as searchability or value in the thumbnail?
I think it's very important you need to have something that's just eye-catchy, and piques interest. So that's where the thumbnail is. It's like, if you have something that is vibrant in color, and has you and your daughter in your case, that's good for the brand so that people understand like who's going to be talking in the video.
Oh, gotcha.
But then too, that shock face, as long as it's in alignment with the title, then it'll just create that engaging element of knowing that this title is in correlation with the thumbnail. So
Gotcha.
You don't want to be having something that's shocking and then you have like a sad face or like a different facial expression that doesn't align.
Right.
Then it defeats the purpose.
Gotcha.
So yeah, it's the thumbnail is very important in terms of like, in terms of if you just look at it from, if I had 100 thumbnails on a wall, and I closed my eyes and I opened them, which one would pique my interest the most?
Oh, that's a great way to think about it.
Yeah, which ones does my eyes gravitate to the most? And you'll find that one usually has some facial expression, vibrant background, and a catchy title.
Yeah. What I noticed on yours here on the right one, your spelling is correct. There's a lot of AI thumbnails where, the spelling is just ridiculous. You can even put it in quotes, it still doesn't work. So they're coming, and I'm excited that you're doing that.
Yeah, no, 100%. So we're should be out real soon here in the next couple of weeks. We can't wait to get in your hands in order to see how much it helps you out, and we'll be making rapid improvements to it, just create like a seamless experience.
Well, what we've seen are factor. I was with my daughter this morning and she just did one, and like you said, it was about 8 minutes. She went over to Canva, she can whip it up really quick, and she just did one, boom, 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 because it still gives me the titles that I can put in there, within the thing. So she could whip it up pretty quick, even though that's not there yet. But all the shorts were done. And then we go back and we just post them at whatever time frames that we want them done through YouTube.
Yeah, 100%. So we can't wait to make it better for you so that it speeds it up even more. And so yeah, now you're good with optimizing your long form video. So once you're good with everything, you just click the sync to YouTube button, and now everything that you just picked will go into YouTube. So I just clicked it.
Yeah, this is another thing I really love, because I didn't have to now go copy and paste. It's here.
Yeah, everything's just here for you.
Yeah, I freaking love it.
So yeah, it speeds up time there. This is actually a huge feature that everyone wanted. So we had to build it out. So then yeah, once you're done with the long form, now the next step is shorts. So Taja is really good at in 5 minutes or less generating shorts for you. from your long form, vertically cropped, 60 seconds or less. Then you can put up on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, all those other platforms as well. And our Shorts model works best for talking videos that have talking heads and are 5 minutes or longer. So in this case, this video does qualify. So I'll just click this, and now Shorts will be, it'll take 5 minutes or less for Shorts to be generated.
Let me ask you, like this one that we're doing, where you're showing me a product where you're sharing the screen. We still got our talking heads. Could this work in a short?
Not at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all
so
right.
we're working on like reaction style videos, those types of things. But the main premise is like podcasts or just realtors or whoever that just has like a talking head talking directly into the camera. We pick up on that and generate shorts for you in that content.
Yeah, and that's okay. Just getting clarity on it. Do you think it's something you guys will work on down the road?
Yeah. We have exactly all the videos that we need to work on, down the road that are other styles like reaction videos, vlogs, those types of videos. Like we'll be working on improving the experience to generate shorts for those customers as well.
Well, feel free to practice on my channel.
No, we will for sure.
Let's talk about the affiliate program that's out there and what everybody gets as a benefit from us sharing this with them.
Yeah, so, one, we have an affiliate program where if you sign up, you'll sign up through the dashboard, and we will provide you with, for anybody you refer, you get 50% monthly commission for the lifetime that they're a customer of Taja.
Nice.
So yeah, that's our affiliate program. But then through here, we do have a special discount that we will provide anybody that watches this video or interacts with Kathy. We'll give them 30% off for 3 months, and you could use the code TAJA, TAJA 303 at checkout for that code to apply and for you to get the discount of 30% for 3 months.
Yeah, and that's great. And I'll have that code down there too. So be sure and like and subscribe. But I when I'm looking at different products, if I like it, then I want an affiliate program. I'm not just getting an affiliate program with something I don't like, because it's aligning my name and my reputation with something that's not working. And yeah. I stumbled onto this on it was a YouTube channel, and there was a gal on there talking about her 10 favorite things, and it just kind of evolved. I started watching one, then I started watching another, and then boom, I found out that over here. Otherwise it came through oh, you know what? I take that back. I get a thing called Ben's Bits, which is an email newsletter every day, and it has the latest and greatest little AI tools, and I'll skim through it. And this was about optimizing, your YouTube and more efficiently, and that's how I came, and I had Kelly and I on there, and we liked it. We decided to try it. Kelly's always watching where I spend our pennies. I'm like, it's great. Let's sign up.
Yeah, no, 100%. It's great to hear that you're tapped into all these different, sources and tools to get to help you with your workflow and enhance your workflow, because it's a lot as a creator to do, all three phases of pre-production, production, and post-production. Like, there's a lot of facets that, and it's very time consuming for one person to be able to handle every step of this phase. And so having tools that help you along the way, will make the process a lot better. And AI is just getting started, and I think AI is going to be huge in the creator space of helping creators and to be able to enhance their workflow, especially single person teams.
Yes. Look at this, already a 94 score on the first one.
Yeah, so
and it's 40 seconds under the 60, which is great.
Yep. So I'll just play it, but it it vertically cropped it. It automatically animates as long as the person's talking, so that the motion is in line with what they're saying. And then right here is everything you need of like your title, your description, your tags. You can just click this upload to YouTube button and the video will automatically go. Now, if you don't like it, you could just click this button right here and you know, you'll be able to edit the caption of like any misspellings or words you see. You can show the caption. So like show any captions or not, you can turn that on or off if you don't want any captions in your video. And then you can go into design, and here's where you can select like different caption styles you want. Pick the colors you want, so like any color here. You can also adjust the sizing. So like if you like, you know, one-liners, you can adjust it there. If you like three, you can do that as well. And then if you want to change up the positioning, you can just drag it here.
Yeah, that's awesome. I love that.
And so, yeah, that's everything in the editor. And yeah, we just released the shorts, so we're making rapid improvements to this. But, you know, so anyone, you know, we're always open to suggestions. So if anyone here is, you know, using this, let us know any feedback you may have of what you want to see. And we always take that into account to make the experience better. And so now, you know, I'm done with the long form and I like my short. Take that into YouTube. I just click this back to dashboard. Okay, there we go. Yeah, now you're done optimizing your video. And I'm not sure why we're airing out, but that always happens when you're demoing.
Of course.
There we go. Yeah, and so right here is everything in your dashboard of like any old videos. It'll tell you exactly what the next step is for each video, so you can see what you need to do. So like here's some videos that I can generate shorts for that I haven't, so on and so forth. And so yeah, we try to make this as seamless as possible. And right here is where you can join the affiliate. And then the last thing we have that a lot of customers love is something called Backlog Boost, where we actually analyze all the videos in your catalog. So all your YouTube videos that you put up, we analyze them and we tell you, you know, which ones have low SEO scores you should consider reviving. And so you can just go here and click, you know, revive video, and it'll take you to, it'll have the link already ready for you to be able to optimize.
Wait, is that free or is that all part of the package?
Yeah, it's part of the package.
Oh, baby, I'm going to be going back in today. I can't wait to go see what we got going on. Because especially when you're first starting out, you know, some of your videos maybe got 3 or 4 views and it was just your buddies. And if I could revive it, and think about that, I wasn't doing shorts on them either. So this is a great opportunity. So I'll just go, do I take it from YouTube, or how do I go get them? How do you even?
No, it's right here. So you just click on, so right here in your dashboard, it says optimize YouTube video, then it has Backlog Boost. So you click on Backlog Boost and you select your channel, and then it'll take you right here. So like here are the 5 videos it picked out for me.
Oh my goodness.
And I could either, if I don't like any of them, I could just click this button and it'll suggest a new video in my catalog, or I just click this and it automatically already has the link of their video right here. So then you just add you go through your same flow of optimizing in a video like we did before, and you know, you're able to revive any of your old videos in your catalog.
Well, that's great. That's just great. I love that.
But yeah, that's Taja in a gist. A lot of updates on the way that we can't wait to get in your hands. But yeah, that's a tool from being able to help you, you know, save time by optimizing your long form, optimizing and repurposing and packaging your long form video.
Well, that's terrific. I appreciate it. I love that backlog one, to go in and revamp it.
Yeah, a lot of customers love it. It's because a lot of people have you know, you have a lot of videos that they live on YouTube forever, so might as well see what you can do to like revive them. And you know, we do see a lot of creators that, even from a monetization standpoint, you know, if they have the ads running on their content, they can make some good revenue off of old videos that have been around for 6-7 months that are just, you know, still out there circulating, that you know, people are still viewing to this day, even though they're 6 months removed from, you know, their latest video they just published.
Wow, that's great insight. Well, boy, I really appreciate it, Ibrahim. I really think that you did a great job sharing it all, and I hope everybody takes advantage of our code TAJA 303 is our additional 30%, right?
Yep, 30% for 3 months. Yeah,
that's awesome. And if you like it, you might as well sign up for the affiliate program and make some money while you're out here sharing your videos, because it's awesome.
No, it takes people like you, Kathy. We really appreciate you being a part of our community, and even setting stuff like this up for us to showcase the tool to your network and your community. And we can't wait to make a better experience for you, and a product that you'll really love, that just enhances your workflow across not only YouTube, but shortly soon all your other social platforms.
Yeah, I love it. And I'm grateful to you. So I'm grateful for everybody that's watching it. Be sure and check it out, and share this, subscribe, love it, and stay tuned for a lot more. We got great stuff here. Thanks, everybody.
Perfect. Thank you. Bye.